Alright, praisers and savers, we are at Kroger. This is my second Kroger video for this this week. Usually Kroger does their ads, like it's 2 weeks of ads, so this is the second one. I did a video a couple days ago and I got a lot of stuff, but not everything that I wanted to get because we were just in the store too long, and also some of the ingredients that I wanted to get were cold and we were going out to dinner. So if you have not checked out that video, go ahead and make sure you check out that first Kroger video of this week. I think I shopped, today is the 5th, I think I shopped on the 3rd, the 2nd or 3rd, but I'll link that in the box. So anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So the Chewy bars are on sale with the buy 6 or more, save 50% each, and we already got some of these this week, but one of my friends gave me, or my daddy gave me this coupon, $1 off 2, so I'm gonna pick up 2 boxes, which makes it $1.29 each because it's gonna take off 50 cents per box, picking up 2 boxes. So for supper tonight, we are having tacos, and we have to have sour cream with our tacos. Now, the squirt kind is what I like to get. It's 2 for $4, but the little canister one is on the buy 6 deal, say 50 cents. So they are $1.49, and then on IBOTTA, a 10 cents is attaching for creamers. Like it actually means like creamer for your coffee, but it is attaching for this, so it'll make it $1.39. The Luigi's real Italian ice cups are $3.99, and there is a $1 off coupon out there when you buy any one box, so that brings it down to $2.99, and there's a IBOTTA rebate for $1 back, which makes it $2 each, so that's 50% off. Now I'm going to go ahead and pick up 3 of these because I can use 3 of these coupons at Kroger. I can submit this 5 times to IBOTTA, but I don't want to buy 5 boxes. That's just way too many for me right now to fit in my freezer. But if you don't have this coupon, you can still get $1 off on your IBOTTA, or $1 back on your IBOTTA. So pick those up. Only going to be $1.99 for 1 box. So the Ore-Ida French fries are $2.49. I don't have any extra coupons on this at all, but my family does eat a lot of French fries. 5 kiddos, they love their French fries. So I'm going to pick up a couple bags to put in the freezer. No coupons needed for this. This is just part of the buy 6 deal. All right, another stock up deal are on the Green Giant Simply Steam box. Excuse me. Pick up in boxes. I like to get the Brussels sprouts. They're 99 cents. These are great whenever we need an extra side for supper. So no coupons needed on this. Is part of the buy 6 deal. You don't have to buy 6 of the veggies. You can buy like 1 veggie, 1 thing of French fries, 1 thing of sour cream. So as long as it's on that mega event, you can buy 6 of any participating items or more, and it'll take 50 cents off. So I'm going to pick some of these up. So far our total is $34.11. Store, everything was $34, but when I got home and did the IBOTTA, fetch, everything else, my total ended up being about $20 for everything, which is really good because food is hard to coupon sometimes. I don't usually get a bunch of freebies when I coupon food. Alright guys, make sure that you have liked my Instagram page, Praising and Saving. I'm also on Facebook. I have a page and a group.